everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are having a good health and good time with your family members. Today's video is all about skincare products and review of it. I'm going to review two products from one single brand, that is Iraya Botanicals. Iraya Botanicals is an Indian brand, and all the products are made with herbal base, and it has the least amount of harmful chemicals to it. And for me, it has worked really well, and it has been a really life savior for a summer season of North India. So yeah, let's get started, and I'll share my experience of both the products in this video. So yeah, let's get started. So let's start with this product. This is Iraya Botanicals Trifla and Vetiver Face Tonic. It's a face toner in a mist form. The mist is quite good. It doesn't spreads too much at one place on your face, and it works really well. In summers, it's really good because it has camphor and menthol to it. It's a very last ingredient in the ingredient list. This is the ingredient list, if you guys can read. I don't know. So this is the ingredient list, and it has trifla to it. It has sandalwood oil. It has ylang ylang. So, and base is rose water to it. So I really enjoyed using it. During summer, I sweat a lot, so I always need a cooling product for my face and my body. So this, whenever I used to feel that I'm sweating a lot, I used to spritz a little bit of this on my face, and I used to feel fresh because it was giving me that cooling effect. The fragrance of it is a very herbal, like you know that you are having a trifla fragrance to it. Trifla fragrance is very prominent, very out there. And whenever I used to spritz on my face, that room used to smell of the same fragrance. So I really enjoyed using it. And yeah, one more thing, it has also given me the enough hydration, which I really like. I don't like that sorry, I don't like that sticky feel on my face, and I like the water based face tonics, face mist, which I can leave it on my face, and I can spray the same product to refresh my makeup during the day as well. So I really enjoyed it. And if at all you have quite sensitive skin and you cannot handle that cooling sensation on your face, I would not recommend this because it has a camphor and menthol, and the cooling sensation is strong. I must tell you, the cooling sensation is quite strong in this. So during this summer, I have used it a lot. I have used it quite till here, and I am still using it, and I am enjoying this. Now let's get started with this night cream by Iraya Botanicals. It is a spirulina and Arjuna night nourishing cream. It claims to give the radiant skin uh, by using it for few days. As you guys can see, I have used quite a bit of it, and it's very lightweight. It is a balmy texture, but it's quite lightweight, and I really enjoy using this at night. Whenever I uh, feel like my skin needs a burst of hydration and my skin is feeling dull, my skin is losing the luster of it, then what I do is I use vitamin C or serum, or I use niacinamide serum on my face. Then I apply this night cream, and in the morning I have a really good plump looking radiant skin, and it's really good. It has also helped me with the dark spots around here I had. I had quite prominent dark spots on my cheeks from the pimples, and it has reduced the mark of it. So I can say it works really well. And it has if you remember, earlier there was glory soap coming for hair wash and body wash. So it has that soap kind of fragrance to it, but it doesn't contain any such ingredient because it has no added fragrance or essential oils. So I really enjoyed this, and let me show you the texture of it. This is the texture of it. Do you see the radiance it gives? See. And it gets absorbed quite quickly as well. So I really enjoyed it. And whoever needs that burst of hydration, dehydrated skin people, and even if you're oily skin person, you can definitely use this product in your nighttime routine. And one more thing I want to share is the fragrance is out there. So I like this fragrance because it's a nostalgic fragrance for me, because when I was kid, I my mom used to use a glory soap for my hair, and first time when I used this, it immediately brought me back all the memories from my childhood. So yeah, it's really good. The ingredient list is also very little. It has no any harmful chemicals. All the ingredients are known ingredients like almond oil, cocoa butter, aqua, spirulina extract, and the way they are saying that spirulina and arjun night nourishing cream, and spirulina and arjun are like third and fourth ingredient to it. It's quite potent. So because it has a shea butter, cocoa butter and almond oil, it's also going to retain the moisture for a longer period of time, and it will not make your skin lose all the water content from your skin. Now, let's talk about the pricing. You might be thinking that because it is quite herbal product and there is no much of the chemical component to it, so this must be very expensive. But let me tell you, it's not that expensive. This product is costing around 445 rupees for 150 ml of product, and which can last you quite long time. You can get it off of Nykaa. I have purchased it from Nykaa. I have used it and I have literally loved this product. And this product, this night cream, costs 395 rupees for 50 grams of it. I am using this since last 2 months now, and I have used half of it. You'll just need a little bit of it and you don't need much of it. So yeah, here it is. If you like such a herbal product for your skin which is no fuss, no harmful chemicals, and all natural kind of product which has least amount of preservative, because there is no much preservatives as well. So if you like such products in your skincare, then you can give it a shot. And yeah, here's my review. So if you like this kind of my reviews of products which I personally use, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon as well, like, comment and share. See you in my next one. Bye.